How to send a video using QR code. Here you can see I have a video. Now I want to send this video using QR code. So let's get started. First of all, you have to upload this video in Google Drive, then you can do that. So I'm using a opening a browser and then click to Google Apps. From here click to Drive. Now click to new to upload this video. From here click to file upload and then select a video that you want to upload or send. Open. After finishing upload, click to resend. Now you can see it's our video. Now I want to click to this three dot menu. After that click to share and again click to share. You can see it's restricted. Click here to anyone with the link. Now copy link. Here you can see I have a link. Now I want to generate a QR code. Open a new tab and search for QR code generator. Now you can select any website from here. I just want to select this one and then click to URL or link. Put your link here and then just customize and download QR. Within a few seconds you can see your QR code is ready. Here it's your QR code. Just download QR code. You can change the format like SVG, PDF, EPS, JPG, PNG, and also you can change the sizes. After that just click to download QR code. It's our QR code. Now you can use this QR code to download this video. That's it. You can send a video using QR code using this method. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.